Hi everyone, I'm Umbreon, and I have found a shiny Snover. I wanted Lapras! Why won't Lapras show? Earlier, the same day I found shiny Chimecho, I actually failed a shiny Bergmite. I accidentally ran away from it, but I didn't get a chance to record it. So I'm going to be on phase 3 for Lapras. And plus I also have to reclaim shiny Bergmite. Oh well. I'll make a good shiny Mega Abomasnow now. You great ball. Oh, Lapras, you need a shine. Catch it. Yes. Okay. Well, someone do the lady. No, I'm not giving you a nickname. Oops. Keep messing up. Okay. Six. Shiny Snover. It's got the ability Snow Warning. Nature is bold and is compatible with taking hits. That's I have to find a nickname for that later. Shut it off in a battle. Normal Bergmite. Shiny Snover. Do one more encounter. Normal Snover. A shiny Snover. Snover's not right shiny, but I want Lapras. Oh, please shine my Lapras, please. Before I go into Pokemon Me, I might as well save. Okay. Please shine that Lapras, please. Oh, that looks like a face from behind. Oops. Sorry, I'm sorry. You'll make a good shiny Abomasnow. Oh, so you can't touch his head. Beat you up on him.